Hey guys, this is an unboxing of the European sold original PS5. So this is the model before November 2023, but you can find it in stock still at this time in many European stores. So this will be a very quick unboxing. It just comes with this sleeve, and inside the sleeve you have this box, and in the box you will find first some manuals, which is not that interesting. You will find a power cord, so this is the European model. Here we have the controller, so nothing special about that, just the standard PS5 controller. Next we need to take this piece of cardboard out, and then we will have a cable. This is a USB cable, so it's a USB-C cable, so you can charge the controller with this and connect it to the PS5, because you need to pair it with your PS5. And here we have an HDMI cable. And my guess is this is the stand. Yeah. Looks kind of interesting. Let's see. And after we remove this box, we should find the actual console in here. And here we have the PS5 console. It is rather chunky, so it's surprisingly big. And it's surprisingly heavy. It seems to have two USB ports, a LAN port and one HDMI, and then the place for the power cord. And in the front we still have one more USB and one USB-C port. And here we have a power button and the eject button for the console. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're interested in why buying this original version makes sense, go check out this video next. Thanks for watching.